How to download and use ChatGPT. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And in this video, we will learn how we can download and use ChatGPT. So without further delay, let's get started. So if you're on your Android device, if you're wondering how you can download the ChatGPT, all you have to do is open up Google Play Store in your device, and in the search bar you have to search for ChatGPT, and there you will have the official application for ChatGPT, and from here you can install the application. Once the installation is complete, now you have to open up ChatGPT in your device. After you open it up, you will see this kind of interface. If you don't have the account yet, or if you want to log in, then you have to log in into your account. In ChatGPT, you can sign in using your Google account, Microsoft account, Apple ID, or with email and password. So if you are prompted to log in, make sure to log in with this account. So once you're logged in, you will get the ChatGPT interface. Here you will see your sidebar. Tap on the line icon at the top left corner. That's gonna take you to your saved chats where you can view all of your history. From this main page here, you can interact with ChatGPT. There is an input box right here. You can type in your questions and then ask to ChatGPT. After that, it will respond to you back. If you want to upload emails, there is an option for emails as well. Also, you have a feature for search option where you can search here. If you want to use the voice command, there's an option for voice as well. So type in this voice icon and there you will be able to use the voice commands on ChatGPT. So in this way, you can use ChatGPT and make sure that your question is clear and specific. You can ask ChatGPT to rewrite, summarize, or explain anything, and then use follow-up questions to continue the conversation. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.